prevent or reduce early blight, which is the discoloration of the lower leaves on your tomato plant through the growing season. It progressively works its way up until the end of the season where you have no leaves, you have stalks, and you have fruit. And that's called early blight. It's in everybody's soil, and it's from the soil splashing up on the lower leaves, and then it works its way up. So by prevention measures, we want to mulch with a chemical-free seed grass clippings, straw, leaves, shredded paper, whatever, weed barrier, whatever we have in order to prevent that soil from splashing up. Additionally, we can use whole grain yellow cornmeal.
Right, so whole grain yellow cornmeal. So this is the stuff that typically is a little bit more expensive than just the cheap stuff. You just want to make sure on the bag or the box or whatever it says whole grain and is yellow cornmeal. And so you want to put a handful around the base of your plant around the time of planting, and then you can do this when you get the first fruiting. And so when you do this, this has something in it called trichoderma, which is a beneficial fungi. Trichoderma is used in a lot of applications outside of the U.S. The U.S. just hasn't really become hip to it yet, but it does help prevent that early blight, and it has that beneficial fungi. So definitely you want to use that yellow whole grain cornmeal.